Welcome to day 11 of our home remedies series. This week we're talking home remedies that have stood the test of time, that are proven effective and all natural. And today we're talking about cloves, aniseed, and cinnamon. This tea, I used to just use the cloves, but I've since learned that these three things work together to help us at the first sign of a sore throat. It has antimicrobial, antibacterial, it has anti-inflammatory, pain relieving. Cloves are fantastic to relieve pain in the throat, in your tooth. It is just a powerhouse. So you will take these three things, and you can find all these in most grocery stores now, if not health stores online. I'll leave links to the ones I love. But you're going to fill this with boiling water about halfway, and I'll show you what it looks like. Here is our beautiful tea that has been steeping for about 10 minutes. And it smells like holiday in a mug. It is so nice. Instantly, you think of the holidays. So what you'll want to do is put some honey in here and stir it up. And no need to strain it. It's just going to continue to work and get stronger. But drink this right down, and I guarantee that your sore throat, if you've caught it early enough, you want to take this at the first sign, the first tickle, and this will be very effective for you. I just wanted to share, if you have missed some of our other days, I just wanted to give you a peek. This is our oil of oregano. You can see the color has turned deeper, and that just means that it's starting to take on the properties of the oregano, and it is working its magic. And this is our garlic and honey. You can see it has now formed more of a syrup. So it's starting to ferment. Oh, and I haven't done this today. What you want to do, I hope you heard that, is open it once a day to let the gases escape, because it's fermenting. And then this is our onion and honey. You can see, I'll strain this today, but you can see how it's taken on a syrup consistency. But I just wanted to show you some of the home remedies we've done this week. They're posted below, so feel free to go and watch those and give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like this content. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope you stay well. Cheers.